It's me, Mariela, and welcome to my channel. Bago tayo mag-umpisa, make sure na nakasubscribe ka na sa aking channel and don't forget to click the bell button para lagi kang updated sa mga video tutorials ko. So, for today's video guys is ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-transfer from Gcash to Coins.Ph and at the same time, paano i-cash in ang Coins.Ph from Gcash wallet. So first, i-open natin yung Coins.Ph application. Then, next, proceed tayo sa cash in. So, nandito yung mga preferred cash in locations kagaya ng Palawan, Western Union, and Willier Union Bank, Click at saka 7-Eleven. Then sa baba, may additional cash in locations which it is itong Globe Gcash, kiosk payments, online bank transfer, over-the-counter banking, remittance center, department store, international cash in, at saka fine tellers nearby. So, ang i-click natin dito ay itong Globe Gcash. So, click natin. So, dito, ilalagay niyo yung amount gusto nyong i-cash in dito sa Coins.Ph. And ang minimum na maka-cash in dito is 15 pesos above. So, example, 15. Then, ang payment method fee niya is 0. Ang coins fee niya is may charge na 10 pesos. And amount due, total of 25 pesos. Then, click lang natin tong place order sa baba. So, after nyan, i-click na naman natin itong Pay with Dragon Pay. Click Continue. Tapos, ilalagin nyo dito yung Gcash mobile number ninyo. And after yung may ilagay dyan is i-click na natin itong Next. Then, enter authentication code na isa-send sa inyo through message. Then, click Submit Code. Tapos, ilalagay nyo yung 4-digit MPIN ng inyong Gcash account. Then, click Next. So, confirm payment of 35 pesos. Then, click na natin itong Confirm and Pay. So, may send na ng message na ang ating payment has been successfully transferred. So, tingnan na natin yung ating Coins wallet. Okay, so nandito na yung tinransfer natin from Gcash which is yung 15 pesos plus 10 fee. So, a balance of 20.70 sa Coins.Ph ko. Since may 5 ako na balance, nag-add lang siya kaya naging 20.70 centavos. So, ganito lang guys kadali mag-transfer and at the same time mag-cash in ng inyong Coins.Ph from Gcash wallet. So, that's all for today guys. I hope may matutunan kayo sa video na ito. And if you like this video, give me the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para maging update kayo sa mga video tutorials ko. God bless everyone!